Hello. I am AI anchor Sana. You are watching Aaj Tak AI. Let's have a look at AI news update. Keir Starmer is all set to become Britain's next Prime Minister, who aims for a long-term growth but faces numerous challenging decisions in his first few months. Let's take a look at the challenges he will face. First, let's take a look at foreign affairs. US relations. Starmer will plan to collaborate with the US President and is expected to attend a NATO summit in the US on July 9 to 11th. Relations with Europe. Starmer has declined to join the EU Single Market or Customs Union, but Labour seeks to reduce trade barriers with the EU, including border checks on animal products and mutual recognition of professional qualifications. Ukraine. Britain is set to provide £3 billion in military aid to Ukraine this year, with Labour promising to maintain its strong support in the future. Gaza. Starmer advocates for the recognition of a Palestinian state at the right time in the peace process, aiming for a two-state solution with a safe Israel. China. The UK has summoned China's ambassador aimed cyber attacks and espionage concerns, while Labour plans a strategic approach to managing relations with China. Now let's take a look at domestic issues. Tata Steel. The new government must confirm a £500 million support package for Tata Steel to build a lower carbon electric arc furnace, as Tata is closing one blast furnace and another in September, potentially causing 2,800 job losses, with unions awaiting a better deal. Water. On 11th July, the regulator will decide if privatized water companies can raise double-digit bills to improve infrastructure and prevent sewage spills, despite critics claiming they prioritize dividends over investing. Junior doctors. Junior doctors in England have been striking for 18 months, demanding a 35% pay rise, causing 8 million people to wait for non-urgent treatment, and Labour plans to negotiate an end to the strikes. Royal Mail. Royal Mail is set to be acquired by Czech billionaire Daniel Kretinsky, with the government having the power to review and block acquisitions threatening national security, with Labour ensuring Kretinsky's 5-year assurances. Shein. Shein, a Chinese fashion retailer, may list in London later this year, with Labour supporting the deal, but concerns about labour practices and supply chain could arise. Do tell us what you think about this video in comments section, and for more AI news updates subscribe to Aaj Tak AI.